While I've been here at the University of Advancing Technology, I've learned quite a bit about different areas of the network security field. I will go over a few of those items here. Shell scripting was something that I learned during the shell scripting class. It is very important to network security because of all the different exploits that hackers can use to attack a network. A very good network security analyst should be able to look for these kind of scripts, also to be able to write these kind of scripts. The next item I'd like to show you would be the IAM report that I did during the IAM class. I used a nonprofit organization called Church of God, a religious group. This organization was basically web-based. I used the infrastructure they had as far as servers and infrastructure that related to the website. During this process, I looked at how they were handling their change management, their software implementation, their infrastructure, whether they were using a layered approach or not. I developed some policies during this period, making sure that they had the right length of passwords and that they had at least a training plan in place so people would learn how and what to look for when getting attacked or looking at emails, and making sure that they had all the tools they needed to prevent a major IAM report. And the IAM report is it's like the second part of the IAM process, but it goes more into the technical aspects of it. This is where you go and look at the systems that are vulnerable, and then you decide whether you want to attack it with what type of tool or whatever you need to figure out what's vulnerable about it. And you are really wanting to go after the critical systems that really affect the company, so they'll have a good handle on what to do to secure their network. A key thing for major businesses today to think about is the disaster recovery and business continuity plans. As we saw from Hurricane Katrina, that there is definitely a chance that you could have a catastrophic event that would wipe out your entire business. So this is very important that you have a hot site, which is a site that's completely ready for you to just jump to, and it's basically running at the same time as your other site. The other site would be a warm site, which means that you have to go turn it on, but it still has all the stuff you need. Now the cold site, there's a little more detail to it. It's pretty much you have to go over there and build the network all over again, but at least you can get back up within a few days. It's very key to a business to think about this and add that into their cost estimates, so they know that they have to spend the money to do this project, or they may not be around.